I was cutting
It
a,
doesn't have gas in it, does it?
not much right now.
Okay, I'm gonna have to get a manager's permission because we're not allowed to return anything with gasoline in it.
Okay.
So they want to return this, but it's got a little bit of gas in it, and he pulled it out and it was leaking. So I told Matt, and he told me to talk to you. Because I don't
There's
know
not
what
like a ton in there,
Oh,
but there's a little bit of
why
gas.
is it broken in half?
Well, it wasn't working, it was bogging down, so I was trying to see what was bogging it down.
Dude, that... Yeah.
No?
No. How am I going to resell that? You guys broke it in half.
Did we?
Or it came out of the box like that?
Well, no, it was running at first, and then we had to see what was bogging it down so much.
Yeah.
No? Hey.
They said they just bought it today.
It came out of the box like that?
Well, no, when it was running at first,
So
it doesn't run now.
How is it in half? That's my question.
Well, we put the chain, maybe the chain got put in backwards or something, and then it like cut itself in half instead of cutting the wood.
This? Somebody sliced this completely down in half.
Like what? Well,
So-
what would cut that in half? like
That's
that?
why I'm asking.
It was probably just the chain, right?
No, chain would not do that. A chainsaw chain would not cut that. Look,
I mean,
look at
your
your
chain
spark
broke
plug.
too.
You cut the spark plug completely in half.
Hmm.
I have never.
That must have been going
seen
pretty
that.
fast.
Holy moly, man! And look at the crank.
It looked like somebody took a butter knife and
like
just went,
literally look with a laser and cut it in half.
Like
I have in 10 years never seen that. That is amazing.
So I do
Can I
need
take
to
a picture of
call.
that?
Because
Do you need to call Ryobi?
when you drop it?
I would take a picture and call Ryobi. I need to take a picture of that.
Maybe
I
this
didn't
was
even
like
know
a
this was
return.
possible. I don't have you in the picture, don't worry.
Well, no, I mean, you guys used it, right?
Oh, you can
Well,
get us
yeah.
in the picture.
I'll be like, hey, look at these guys. They totally did something cool. It's impossible. Dang.
If that's not a manufacturer defect, I don't know what is.
Okay.
Holy
I have
crap.
never.
So we need
Huh.
to call the manufacturer with that then?
I would.
Okay.
We'll get to the
It
bottom
literally
of this.
looks like somebody took a laser and just cut it completely in half.
Like, that would be a pretty big
Look at
laser.
that. I know. And don't you see it? I mean, look.
Were you guys holding it and it did that? Or, I mean,
I just never.
at what point did you realize it was
Yeah, we were
broken
trying
out?
to. We're carving a log. I was trying to carve Dan's face into a log. I think it was looking pretty good, and then I couldn't finish.
Jeez, I didn't even know that was like possible.
Yeah,
Holy
I'm sorry, man. I'd get a hold of Ryobi on that.
Hey, appreciate it. Thanks for your time.
That's wow. That's amazing. Thanks, guys. Sorry about that.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you. Can you explain to me what just happened?
Like one of the most gullible guys I've ever seen.
Well.